This video shows you how to run and interact with reports in Cloud Cruiser Analytics. It's the first in a three-part series to help you get the most out of this powerful data visualization tool. You must install and configure Cloud Cruiser Analytics before you can run analytics reports, so use our installation video or the written documentation to do that first. By navigating to the Advanced Reports window, a user with the Advanced Analytics role can view analytics reports. 6 core analytics reports are commonly installed with Cloud Cruiser. Unlike the standard reports, you don't need to enter parameters such as an account level and date range before viewing an analytics report. Instead, you interact with the report to change what it displays. For example, by default, the yearly trend report shows the total revenue for a year in 3 different charts and a table, all aggregated to the top level of your customer hierarchy. But you could choose to view cost instead of revenue, or switch to a different year. Selecting any item in the report filters the data by that item throughout the report. By selecting the October segment for the Estate Services customer and then adding November with a shift click, I've highlighted them in all 3 charts and the table. This makes it easy to focus on a given customer or period. Hovering your mouse pointer over an item gives you more context about the item and actions you can perform on it. By hovering over the highest point in the revenue trend chart, you can see that the customer with the biggest month of revenue was Deposits, who brought in $135.4 thousand in October. Because Estate Services and Agribusiness were so close in total revenue last year, you might want to get a closer look at that comparison by keeping only those 2 in the chart. Or you might want to quickly see which were your best and worst months of the year by sorting the total revenue trend chart. Two of the reports here are analytics versions of existing standard reports, the standard invoice and the invoice with fixed charges. These show line item charges for each service or resource you track. When viewing an invoice report, you can restrict the data shown to specific customers at any level and a specific date range. I'll display data for the 3rd quarter. You can drill down to individual data records to do in-depth analysis of a report. For example, you might want to understand why these customers used extra-large Amazon VMs so much more than smaller VMs this quarter. Each data record used in a Cloud Cruiser Analytics report represents a charge, either a revenue or cost, for one resource to one customer account on one date. If the fields that underlie the chart or table you are viewing aren't enough, you can show all fields. If you're unfamiliar with any of the fields you see in an analytics report, the descriptions in the Cloud Cruiser documentation can help you. After changing the display of a report, you might want to share it with others. You can export a report in a few different formats, even breaking out charts and tables to separate pages with context added. To clear your changes and return to the default display, click Revert All. We hope this video has helped you learn how to analyze your business with Cloud Cruiser Analytics reports. To customize these reports to better fit your needs, see the next video in this series. Thanks for watching.